You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. Hopefully you had a great Memorial Day weekend. That is when I am filming this. It is Monday. We just got back today from South Florida. If you follow me over on Instagram, you'll see that I was down visiting my parents. Steven and I went down to visit my parents and we had such a great time. But we are back now, and as you can see behind me, we are back to a nice big mess. So I'm going to clean it up, of course, and I figured I would go ahead and film it. Yeah, I'll keep the intro pretty short. Let's go ahead and get into this video. If you like it, please go ahead and like it down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I would love to have you as part of this little YouTube family. Let's just go ahead and get started. Guys, how does this happen? Such a mess. I cleaned this before we left, and I was in such a rush, but I took the Dyson apart and like thoroughly cleaned it out. I don't do that super often, but it was time. It was getting a little bit gross, so I cleaned the whole thing out and I left it there to air dry right before we left. Oh my gosh, it's such a disaster in here. Such a mess. I need to put away the groceries. I did run to the grocery store after we got home. You might see me get dinner ready. If you see 4 dogs, don't be alarmed, we did not get 2 more. We are watching my parents' dogs for a couple of days. So this is Sophie and Gracie is over there. And my 2 pups are over here. Hello, girls. So yeah, it's just a big mess here. Big mess, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope y'all enjoy this video. And let's get to cleaning.
Dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight. Makes me feel so good inside. Oh baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm.
I've made mistakes, crashed and burned, so many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right. I won't be coming back again a second time. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong. Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know youth is wasted on the young. On the young. Setting off, time to go. Engines running, we're on our own. Running on an endless road, reaching for something we used to know. If I had another chance, I'd make things right. I see the light behind your eyes is fading now. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is.
Alright guys, I just finished up and the dogs are exactly where they were at the beginning of the video. Don't mind these pillows, these are just for our bed, but I'm not going to make the bed now because we're going to bed fairly soon. But the kitchen is all nice and cleaned up. You guys just saw a clip of me putting away my suitcase, so everything is just nice and fresh. I'm going to make dinner right now, so unfortunately I'm going to make another mess, but feels good to have everything back in order. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!